How to send message in Slack. First day on Slack or not sure how to speak up? Here's how to send message that actually get noticed. Step 1. Open any channel or direct messages, then simply tap on the bottom bar over here. You can see message hashtag general. So simply tap on it and type whatever you want to say. Over here you can see a send arrow. Simply tap on send and then your message will be pro tip. Use threads to reply to specific messages. It keeps that chat organized. Don't forget the reminder command. Send helpful reminders in Slacks.